Morning all. So, that parcel shelf's going to be a bit of a challenge. And then it won't be the worst challenge I've ever had. That was a challenge. That was a challenge. Moving on with today's challenges. So, I've got the boot lid coated up. I do believe there's some odd pieces hanging around. This is sat out here, siliconing up to fuck. Oops, I'll get kicked off YouTube now. Because the non-silicone based adhesive that I bought to bond those stiffeners back on was actually made of silicone. Lovely. So I had a lovely night last night scrubbing all that lot down by hand. My fingers are raw now. So we got that done. I don't like those matte painted panels, so I'm going to do mine white. Can always paint them black after. Meanwhile, what's been going on out here? Minitron! You've been cooking, darling. So as you can see, it's winter in the front garden, summer in the back. And that's a Thai spirit house there, that's where all the spirits live. You've got to put food and drinks down for them. There's an escort spirit house there, look. You just got to put loads of rubbish down for them. Oh, spoiler alert. No, sorry, not yet. Anyway, it looks like Minitron's been cutting down the garden. Let's go see what she's done with it. Have you been cutting down all the bushes in the garden again? Minitron?
Hmm?
Oh yeah, you have. Look, there it is, in a bowl. What do you call this thing, love, apart from a compost pile?
Steamed chicken.
A what?
Steam.
That's a steamed chicken? Well, there's no Thai name for that. Compost pile. Oh well. You want a compost pile, cat? No? Okay then.